A united opposition on January 27th demanded discussions on foreign policy, a special voter roll revision, and a new ruler jobs law ahead of the budget session of Parliament. The government rejected calls for debates on the voter revision and the law PBG Ramji that replaced MGNREGA, leaders said after an all-party meeting. The budget session will begin on January 28th and run until April 2nd. The first phase will end on February 13th and Parliament will reconvene on March 9th. Opposition leaders also criticized the government for not sharing the list of legislative business before the session. They said this limited meaningful preparation for debates. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju attended the meeting for the government. The opposition was represented by leaders from the Congress, TMC, CPIM and CPI. On foreign policy, opposition parties raised concerns over India's global stance. They referred to repeated public slides by US President Donald Trump and said India had remained silent on key international issues, including Palestine and Iran. Several parties, including the DMK, TMC, and CPIM, also sought a discussion on center-state relations. They alleged that governors and central agencies were being misused to interfere in state governments. Briefing reporters, Rijiju said the new ruler employment law was now in force and had to be implemented. He said laws passed by Parliament could not be rolled back. He also added that all issues raised by the opposition could be discussed during the debate on the President's address. He added that the government would share the legislative agenda after the address, though he was open to releasing it earlier. On the demand for a fresh debate on voter list revision in West Bengal, Rijiju had said the issue had already been discussed in the previous session and did not require another discussion.